Hi, Mom. I'm going to go ride the dinosaur train. Burp! That's good, honey.
And this train is actually moving the engine. We're just pushing it in the back.
Hi, Mr. Conductor. I'd like to go for a ride on the dinosaur train. That sounds fine, Terry Pterodon. Why don't you hop on?
And that was a cute
All right, get up, ready to go on the dinosaur train. Thanks, Mr. Good. Oh no! Oh no! It seems to be a T-Rex eating the conductor. Oh no! He's eating its head and he's destroying the train. I've gathered you plant eaters here to discuss a terrible situation, which is these carnivores keep interrupting our dinosaur train and eating the conductor. We've gone through 3 conductors this week. Someone has to do something. But I'm scared. I'm just a stegosaurus with a brain the size of a walnut. Iguanodon, it will have to be you. You'll have to go undercover to find out more about what they're up to. Me? I can't do it. Go to the carnivores? You'll have to disguise yourself. Okay.
We sure do love meat. Let's eat him. No, please. Please don't eat me.
Hey guys. I just came over to eat some meat. I sure love to eat meat. We never seen you around here before. You're gonna have to meet with the queen. Oh, okay, that's just what I wanted. Let's go meet the queen. Hello, Your Majesty. You are really quite large.
And that is...
Yes, I am the queen of all carnivores. If only I could get this cursed purple band off my arm. It really makes me angry.
It's only on one arm.
I can help with that. Here, let me just take that purple band off. See? That was no trouble at all. Came right off. Why, thank you. Now you may have your stupid dinosaur train in peace. We will forever leave your conductors alone. Yay! Here comes the dinosaur train! Dinosaur train! Dinosaur train!
I'm gonna ride
On the dinosaur train!